Today we are going to start a new chapter, MS PowerPoint. The full form of MS means Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we are going to learn about Microsoft PowerPoint. Before starting the lesson, let me give you an introduction. Children, till now you have studied the use of Microsoft Word program, which is used to create documents. Now we are going to start with another important member of the MS Office family, that is MS PowerPoint. MS means Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a program that helps you to create presentations in a simple and easy way. A presentation is a systematic display information in the form of text, graphics, sound, movies, etc. The information in a presentation is stored in the shape of slides. Slides can be considered as the individual page of the presentation, which are displayed one by one on the screen. Now we are going to learn how to start PowerPoint. To start PowerPoint, click Start button on the taskbar, select Program, move to the MS Office, click the Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Then Microsoft PowerPoint window will be appearing on the screen. Now I'll show you how to open PowerPoint. Click the Start button, select Programs, then select Microsoft Office 2013, select Microsoft PowerPoint. Now when you select Microsoft PowerPoint, the following PowerPoint window will appear on the screen. Select a blank presentation. Now when you select Microsoft PowerPoint, you can see the screen appearing like this. Now you have to select blank presentation. Now select blank presentation. One second, select. Now select blank presentation. When you select blank presentation, you can see Microsoft PowerPoint window will be appearing on the screen like this. Now we will learn the parts of Microsoft PowerPoint window. Now here you can see children PowerPoint. This is the title bar. You can see the name of the application on the title bar. Now here on the title bar you can see the name of the application PowerPoint. Okay, on the title bar you can see the name of the application. To the left side you can see save, redo and undo. These buttons are known as quick access toolbar. On the quick access toolbar you can see the options over here: save, undo and redo, slideshow. All these options are available on the quick access toolbar. Now here this is menu bar. On the menu bar you can see menus like file, home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review and view. Now when you select the menus, you can see the options in the ribbon. When you select any menu, you can see the options in the ribbon. Now here this is the slide page. This is the slide where you can see where you can create the presentation in the slide. Now this dotted box is known as placeholders. You can see the dotted box. This is known as placeholder. This is slide pane. This is known as slide pane. This is status bar. This is the status bar. How many slides you have created you can see on the status bar. It shows you the status of the presentation. Now here at the bottom of the screen you can see the taskbar. On the taskbar you can see the start button. Window. Now let me recollect once again. This is the title bar, and when you select any menu you can see the options in the ribbon. This is quick access toolbar. This is slide. These dotted boxes are known as placeholders. This is the slide pane. And this is the status bar. On the status bar you can see the status of the presentation. At the bottom of the screen you can see the start button. This button is known as start button to start your program. On the task bar you can see the start button. Okay. Now this is the normal view of our PowerPoint, which allows you to create, edit, format or design your presentation in the slides. Now children, whatever the slides we are going to create, that will be in the normal view. This is the normal view of the PowerPoint, which allows you to create, edit, format or design your presentation. PowerPoint opens a blank presentation for you in the beginning named presentation 1. Now children, when we open the presentation for the first time, it takes the name as presentation 1. You can change the name while saving your presentation. After creating the presentation, we can change the name. Slide pane shows the first default slide for your presentation. Here this is the slide pane. Now it is the default slide for your presentation. You can use two placeholders on the slide to type the title. Now you can take title slide and you can take the title slide and type title and subtitle in the slide. The remaining part will continue in the next class.